This one is a 1967 Royal Aristocrat. The color is baby blue. It's got this rugged royal all metal structural design. So like this is all metal. The only plastic is this area here. So it's pretty strong. Made in the USA. To set the margins, you just put your finger on these things back here and you can move them. I'm gonna put it wide towards the end so I can get all the letters on. I was not able to get all the letters on, so I'm going to do a margin release right here and finish typing. If you don't do that, it will stop you from typing a few characters after the bell. So you got to hit that margin release right there to get past it, and that works good. So I got all the letters on there. Hit the line space to get you back to the beginning of the margin and skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want to push it on double, you just hit that lever like that. I'll type a sentence real quick on the next line. Type's really nice. It's a well-made machine. It's got elite type font, which is why I was able to fit all the letters on one page on one line. That prints 12 characters per inch. The standard is 10, so this one has a little bit smaller font, which allows you to put more letters, more words on a page. So to get the paper out easy, you flip this switch back and you can pull it right out. It allows you to load thicker paper too, carbon copy or cardstock paper. This one has a column, which is the same as a tab. So we're going to set a column right there. Hit the column button, it'll stop there. You could set them anywhere on the platen. It'll stop wherever you set them, and to clear them, you just hit this clear button. So you get to the tab and then you clear it, and then now you have no tabs. Backspace on the top left works good. I already showed you the margin release. It's got a touch control here on the left. The higher the tension, so you got low, medium, and high. The higher the tension, the harder you got to hit the keys. And the lower, the less you have to hit the keys. So pop the hood off. The spools are in here, and to change the ribbon direction, you just flip that like that. Now it's pulling to this side, and if you want to switch it to that side, do that. So all the ribbons on this side, so we're going to pull it to that side. It's got a shift lock on this side, and that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.